One, go. Player two, go. Player two.
Kind of like these little duckies. Oh, free mama.
Oh, free mama.
Oh, free mama. Are we both in? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Was that fast?
Yeah. So this property has the little slides, it has the big winding slide, it's even got its own wave pool and one of the best lazy rivers I've ever been in, not to mention the arcade. So you could totally be like, sure babe, yeah, go golfing with your buddies for the day. I will stay on property, I will gladly float in this lazy river, I'll watch all the kids and we'll have the fun in the water and on property while you do that. I'm pretty sure there's also a spa too that I would like to try. This is definitely a place I'll go back to again.
37 for valet, 34. I'm gonna look at it. No, it was 50 for valet today, 38 for parking overnight. They didn't do it.
I wanted to use a GoPro and go down that fat water slide with you.
Yeah, I want to go down the water slide.
Pretty. Oh, a newborn. No wonder you want a baby. All right, is it these two? Is that what we have?
We have 3.
Family pool. Oh, this is the lazy river. I don't think she's at the lazy river. Let's go to the next one.
I want to go to the lazy river.
We're going to, but yeah.
But it's just the lazy river.
Yeah, I got to put our stuff down. You're cutie.
I'm eating a whole piece of chocolate that's giant.
Bye, sunset. Look, you guys, is that incredible? It's the special time of day, my loves. I'll help you in just a second. Say hi. Where'd your brother go? Where is Benji?
On that slide.
Really? Did you go on the slide?
Yeah. It was terrifying.
It was terrifying? You're so funny. Hi.
How can I help you?
Could I help you? They have these daily poolside crafts that the kids can do. So I always love a place with kiddie activities to keep them occupied. Yeah, that's the adult pool. Beautiful. I forgot our room key. I don't think we'll be able to go out to the sunset. This lobby. I do too. It smells so good. And I like the dim lighting. Lonely.